Many people right now are keeping a very close eye on Wall Street, and that includes the president. Markets are up about 70 points right now, and the president speaking just moments ago addressing the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, and Sunday's closure of Signature Bank. President Biden says depositors will get their money back. Investors, on the other hand, will not be protected, and bank managers will likely be fired. There will be accountability, according to the president. Still, both bank collapses are sparking a lot of concern today. This was the scene at one Silicon Valley Bank branch over the weekend. People frantically trying to withdraw their money before the bank went under. I want to go to Tom Dempsey to start things off for us this morning in D.C. with the very latest, and also steps being taken now by the FDIC to prevent further panic. Tom.
Hey, good morning, Marni. Yeah, this speech by President Joe Biden in the last hour was all about reassurance in the face of these collapses of Signature Bank and Silicon Valley Bank, the second and third largest bank failures in United States history. The president coming out and saying that customers and banks will be safe and their assets protected. But this is still very much a developing situation, and many people are keeping an eye on the stock markets today. And we want to give our viewers a live look at what the Dow Jones Industrial Average is seeing at this hour, with the Dow Jones up right around 70 points at this hour. First Republic Bank, that's going to be something to watch today. They recently received some funding from the Federal Reserve and J.P. Morgan Chase. First Republic Bank seeing a very sharp tumble, losing around 60% of its stock value as this situation remains ongoing. But this morning, we also learned Silicon Valley Bank UK was successfully sold to HSBC, and the British Treasury chief saying this will ensure that deposits will be protected. This all followed other big moves to help those customers and prevent possibly more bank runs. Silicon Valley Bank attracted companies including tech startups, while Signature Bank became popular with the crypto industry. With the downturn, though, in the tech industry over the last few months, both banks saw customers need more cash, which contributed to big bank runs recently and the two banks collapsing. Now, of course, a very big focus of all this is what sort of impact will this have on, regular people at home, as well as, will this trickle down to other banks? So, again, we've been seeing a number of measures put in place in response to this ongoing situation. President Joe Biden's team announcing that depositors of the impacted banks will have access to their money today, while the Federal Reserve announced a funding program for banks to help against further bank runs. This marks some of the most extensive government intervention since the 2008 financial crisis. But government leaders continue to say taxpayer money has not been provided to the banks.
Look, the bottom line is this. Americans can rest assured that our banking system is safe. Your deposits are safe. Let me also assure you, we will not stop at this. We'll do whatever is needed on top of all this.
Now, again, the stock market is going to be something very key to watch today, Marni, with any sort of announcement, regarding this situation, possibly leading to, prices going up and down.
Yeah, a lot of volatility. All right, Tom, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.